I'm staying on clothes right now. It's fine. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alicia. I try to post videos whenever I can. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking on today's video. I'm mentally not doing fine. It feels like Mercury is in retrograde. I'm going through a quarter life crisis. All of the above. I logged out of all my social medias except for Snapchat the past 4 days. That was the dumbest decision of my life. I should have logged out of Snapchat as well, because it really was not helping. I mean, not being able to see the other social medias is fine, but like, yeah, I don't know. And I still don't know why I don't log out of it. You know, I have the willpower to do it, but I just don't. I put myself on ghost mode thinking it would help. But you want to know what does help? Coping unhealthily. There's a few ways we could do that. We could give ourselves bangs, which that ain't the moves. We could cut off all our hair, shave our head. I really considered that, because wigs are cool as fuck, but also I feel like I wouldn't be good enough to do wigs. And I just feel like my head shape is not cute to be bald. My dad had made for it, mine not, didn't inherit those genetics. But how we can cope is dyeing our hair. And wait, I'm gonna stop you there. I got my hair done by Tisha not too long ago. I love it. I'm not changing it. But maybe just a tiny bit. So Tisha, please don't get mad at me. I'm only doing a little bit. And it's a tint. So like, it's not gonna be permanent. But yeah, I just decided to do it. And I got the blue, but then my sister's like, oh, you could do this blue, and I'm like, that's a little bold, that's for like the e-girls, even though I'm kind of gonna be an e-girl. I wanted something to look more, not like natural, because like color hair is natural, but just a little something, we'll change it up a little. So here's that. Okay, here we are. Unicorn hair in the shade Powder. I don't have any gloves, but it's fine. Okay, so it looks very light on the packaging. Here it is in the bottle. It's very vibrant, but we're just doing these little teeny money pieces, because we're trying to be like an e-girl, but like not an e-girl, because sometimes you just gotta live, you know? Oh yeah, me and my sister have this thing that we say, WWTD, what would Tisha do? Tisha would not do this, she would advise against it, but sometimes you gotta be a baddie. I need gloves, I need gloves, I'm too scared.
Are you gonna do it with your hands?
Yes. Mom, please don't hate me. I'm making a bad life decision. I can't get on this. Yes, I'm making a bad life decision.
You're making a bad life decision.
Yes, I'm going. I feel like Mercury's in retrograde right now, so.
What are you doing? You're gonna color your hair?
Just these a little bit.
Okay, well that's alright.
Make it nice.
Okay.
Bleach them later. Okay. Shit, we might. Oh, you can't even see. Can't focus either. Well, that's inconvenient. Sorry if the video was out of focus this whole time. We'll come back. You can barely wash it, and I think I did 2 small pieces. And I'm just using my fingers at this point, because I don't care. we're gonna do the same thing. Like an hour. Okay. Let's see you again. I don't know if you can even see it. It is very light. Well, okay, it's like darker because I added more and let it sit for another hour. So basically I had 2 hours, and yeah, it's just a little something. So this is how it turned out. It's just a little pop of color. It's not too much, but it's noticeable. I feel like I can't wear anything but blue. And I feel like because I have colored hair, I have to do my makeup all the time because I feel like if I don't, it looks off. But that's what I've gotten from these past 2 days. I like it. It is semi-permanent tint, so it's not forever. So if I get tired of it, it will eventually come out. And yeah, I love it. It's just a little fun thing to do when you have like a mental breakdown. I'm back on the social medias. I feel like my 5 days off really did not do anything. I probably should have just stayed completely off Snapchat, but you know, that's just how it be. I had no other form of entertainment, so. But yeah, that was it for this video. Just a little something, a little crazy, a little out there, something different. But that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me having a breakdown and doing something I probably should not have done, even though it was my new YOLO, you live once. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. I have all my social medias linked down below, so definitely go check those out as well, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm not doing well, thank you for asking.